there we go. What's going on? Y'all see what I got here? Y'all see what I got here? I'm excited for this, man. They call it the Unites, I think it's called, or I think people just refer it as the red cement threes. They look like the cement threes, just red. So I'm excited for this, guys. My channel, I don't do a lot of review videos at all. This video is not gonna be long at all. I'm just gonna open this box. I haven't ordered like a pair of Jordans in a while. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. I have an interview in like an hour. That's why I kind of have this fit with some blue jeans. I doubt these shoes will look good with this fit. They won't. Just a quick shoe unboxing. This is me, y'all. I did a little room different setup, so I'm in the middle of changing everything. This is not my normal setup, but yeah, let's get right into it, man. Let me get some scissors. Man, I'm excited to what this looks like. I treated myself. I was a sneakerhead, but you know, as college started hitting, you know, money started going down. You know, your money gotta go to different things. Let's just rip this open like a Christmas present. Get all this out. Alright, boom. First thing we see, we got the Jordan box. I like it. I like it. You got like the wolf gray material over here. Let me take it out the box. I ordered it from Goat. These just dropped. I think I got these early. Yeah. Let's get these out of here. Throw this box out. Alright, boom. So this is the box, guys. Comes in a nice solid red. I like the material on the side here. It feels mad good. If y'all can see, like, it's kind of like elephant font. Elephant material, I should say. Yeah, boom, as you guys see, I got a 9.5. Let's open these bad boys. We're gonna look at this drawing together. Alright, boom. So we got, the first thing on top is a Goat. This is where I got it from. Goat, shout out to y'all. This is like the sneaker plug website. You download it on your phone. They got everything, trust me, they got everything. Alright, now, this is the moment we all been waiting for. There it is, y'all. There it is. Let me take it out. Let me take these bad boys out. Man. Alright, instant reaction. Instant reaction, it's fire. I like the sole. I love smelling shoes when they're fresh out the pack. They got shoelaces, bet. Oh my god, it smells so good. Alright, anyway, so this is the shoe, guys. This is the shoe. Put these back in there. As you guys can see, the details. It's like your average 3. Just red. I like it. I think I would rock this with a fire fit. But let's see the other pair. To the other pair, put this box down. Alright, so I thought on the back of these they would have the CHI for Chicago, but they don't. So I guess in the picture, or in some pairs, they have the Chi for Chicago, but they don't. They just have Air, Nike Air. Oh, it's kind of a little blurry, so I can see it a little bit better. So yeah, it just has the Nike Air, y'all. It's flush red. I actually like the back. It has Nike and Air. Jordan sign on the tongue right there. Shoelaces. It came with black shoelaces and it got red and white. So I guess you could play with it. But yeah, I'm gonna throw these on for y'all real quick and I gotta run to my interview. Yeah, let's get it. Gang. Overall, I like the shoes. I like them. They're nice. I wouldn't ball in these, but I think it'll be a nice little fit. I didn't take the shoelaces off because I don't know. That might be the style, you feel me? So, other than that, guys, this is pretty much it. I feel like I could bust a move in these. Move up. Oh, I can't really move up. Let me get down here. Oh, I don't want to crease them. Thanks for watching, y'all. Subscribe. I don't know why I got down here to tell y'all bye, but go copy yours, man. Go to Goat, man. Shout out to Goat. Sponsor me. And we out of here, man. YouTube videos dropping soon, man. Subscribe, y'all.